How to set up mechanical ventilator. First, you need to insert both ends of the tubing. Measure length of tube from inspiratory port to the humidifier port and cut the inspiratory tube. Connect the cutted inspiratory tube ends in the humidifier. Placement of water strap in both line. Setting up nebulizer kit. Locate the inspiratory line. Cut in the line near the Y piece of the inspiratory line. Connect the nebulizer kit. Never place the nebulizer kit in the expiratory line. Set up oxygen and run system check to see if there is leak and any other concerns. If system is all pass, may start to use the ventilator.